Ace has more than 100,000 retail employees, working at more than 5,500 retail stores in all 50 states and 70 countries, making Ace the largest hardware retailer and distributor in the world. Every year, there are more than 300 million transactions. And we sell $22 billion worth of helpful products from the world's best brands, like these and these. All of this is brought to our stores by nearly 600 drivers who make more than 350,000 deliveries a year and drive more than 50 million miles. These shipments originate at one of our 15 retail support centers or 7 bulk distribution centers with 12.6 million square feet or 289 football fields. And more than 6,000 retail support employees who help facilitate those 350,000 deliveries as efficiently as possible. All of this is coordinated at our corporate headquarters, where employees guide the business, as well as a number of strategic investments to leverage Ace's assets and iconic global brand. Our goal is to continue being the best provider of products, services, and operating methods to convenience hardware retailers around the globe, as well as making Ace the 4th largest franchise in the world, 6th best franchise according to Entrepreneur magazine, the 7th top workplace according to the Chicago Tribune, Forbes Best Places to Work, and winner of the J.D. Power Award for highest ranking customer satisfaction for 14 out of 15 years. All while bringing in over $22 billion in system-wide revenue. It all comes down to one big team. Ace is a place with the 100,000 helpful hardware folks. Wait, where do they all park?